Welcome back to Universal Coloring. Today I'll show you in just under a minute how you can easily create a light neon brush. First, we select the light brush under Lights and duplicate it. Then we click on the brush to open the settings. Under Color Dynamics, you can increase the color pressure to 100%. The brush changes color the more pressure you apply. That's it. I changed the background to a darker blue. Now you can draw whatever you want: hearts, arbitrary lines, or simply write something quickly. I hope you liked it. If so, please leave a like and comment below the video. We are also happy about every subscription.